Hi there! I'm just enjoying the last rays of the evening sun in Bristol, back from a fantastic couple of days in Cirencester. I managed to get a bit of urban sketching in, which was a super treat. Cirencester is built on the Roman town of Corinium, and the museum has got a fantastic collection of all sorts of relics and objects that have been recovered from Roman graves, and I just had a fantastic couple of hours sketching those, so I thought this might be a nice way to show you. So highly recommend the Corinium Museum and Cirencester in general. It was really great.